What's up, y'all? This your favorite girl, Nikki, with Nikki Smacks, and today I made some let me show y'all. I'm gonna bring the phone down so y'all can see. So this is some I got some. I don't know if you guys can see it because I don't want to spill it. But this is some what's these mussels, some shrimp, and some and spinach. And I got some rice and some seaweed, and I got Canadian dry. Let me put my phone up. My little thing up for y'all. Okay. Can y'all see me? How y'all doing today? Move this over here. Okay, so I just bought this new tripod. Let's see how it works. TikTok made me buy it. But anyway, y'all, so how y'all doing today? So I don't know what to call this. Ouch. What am I ouching for? My sister called it Nikki soup because she be making it. She asked me for the ingredients. So she said it was bomb. So I don't know what to call it. I just be throwing some stuff together, y'all. My Canadian dry. Throwing it together, so I make the food, so I already wash my hands and all that shit. But anywho, y'all, so I'm gonna put this a little bit right here. Okay, and then I got some mussels. And I forgot me some napkins. That's crazy. I'm always forgetting some napkins. I'm always forgetting something. I forget my head if it wasn't strapped all right. So this is my first time tasting seaweed. My son, he got me eating this little seaweed stuff. I never tasted this before, but I'm gonna taste it today. It tastes a little fishy. Tastes a little fishy. I dropped some on my phone. Yeah, so I cooked this shrimp. I cooked these jumbo shrimps, and I like the skin on it because I like it when it's soaked. That shit bomb. I made it a little spicy. That's the only time I can eat something spicy. Yeah, did I do a mukbang yesterday? I think I did. I did that mukbang yesterday, and I didn't. Or was that the day before yesterday? When I ate that spaghetti, I think that was yesterday. Y'all, I had heartburn, something terrible yesterday. It was horrible. I was down all day. Cause I don't know what the hell. I guess the tomato sauce. I guess I don't freaking know. Let me show y'all. My own little creation. Y'all like that? Okay. So I just threw a bunch of seafood together. I can't call it gumbo because I don't know how to make gumbo. Excuse me. I guess it's like seafood spinach. Shit, I don't know. Don't give me the line. Okay. figure out a way to get my tripod so y'all can see me. And, that was kind of spicy. Spicy, spicy. So I like the shells on because all that flavor being there. Yeah, that should be good. It'd be good. I be wanting to get the shrimps with the heads on it. My kids don't like those. I don't like those at all. Today is the Saturday before Easter. What y'all got going on? Hold on. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think I made this a little bit too spicy. Oh well. Gotta tough it out. Tough it out. It's good though, y'all. I hope they don't give me no copyright. My son downstairs playing music on the surround sounds. I already told his ass to turn it down, but it's still loud. That's all right. It is what it is. I need to know where to buy some big ass mussels. I mean, I bought these from Kroger's. Well, it's not a Kroger's out here, but it's Smith's. You know. Hold on, y'all. My eyelash. Ooh, it's spicy. Muy caliente. Excuse me. Oh, that was ghetto. I'm getting this shit at me. everywhere. Ooh, my nose running. No muscles. Little muscles. Little bit of muscles. So I was trying to go to this little food thing today they having out here. But shit, it's raining. Oh, it's been raining all day. You know what? And I'm so glad I didn't buy that ticket because I would have been hot. It was this little food festival I was supposed to go to so I can do the mukbang for y'all. But Mother Nature wants to show up. I'm gonna embrace all this damn rain because in the summer it's gonna be hot as shit out here. Put some little juice on here. Y'all can't even see. Trying to show y'all, but I gotta figure out how to adjust my figure out how to adjust this shit. I'm out of order. This is a song by Peach McIntyre. I'm out of order. So that's what I feel right now. I'm out of order. Y'all should go listen to it. It's cool. It's spicy. Yeah, this is so good. So what I did was I grilled some onions in it. I sauteed some onions and garlic. Put some shrimps in. No, I didn't cook the shrimps first. I cooked the shrimps last. I cooked the spinach with the sauteed, you know, the other stuff. Cooked them together. Then I put my what you call this? My mussels in it. You know. Shit. Excuse me. Ah! Oh, that came from down yonder. Somebody texting me. Okay, yeah. Let me let y'all see. See, if I leave it like this, y'all won't be able to see me. Yeah, this rice. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put my phone back on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to readjust my camera and it had fell off the little tripod and shit. You know. Y'all gonna have to bear with me. Okay. See, look at all these onions, caramelized onions up in here. And just, oh, and I put some tomatoes. I cut some tomatoes up in here. Tomatoes, tomato, whatever you want to call them. You know, yep, I put it in here. Okay. Sloppy. Y'all. I think it tastes better. I was gonna put some colossal shrimps in it. My son got company. And I sure didn't want them asking for none of my colossal shrimps. You can get the large shrimp, but them colossal shrimps is big. And they don't come in the bag. So I just put the regular large shrimps in it so everybody can get some. Damn. And I sure did think it was just gonna be me, my boys. Fuck it. Better to give. Let me see. My mama used to tell me that. So I improvise so everybody can get some. I'll say my little colossal shrimps or something else. Something else. Okie dokie. Y'all made this spicy. It's not that spicy. It's spicy. It ain't to the point where I couldn't handle it. If y'all be on Bigo, y'all look me up on Bigo. I be on Bigo. Well, I haven't been on there about a month now, but I'm about to get back live because you know I gotta get my content up. Gotta be on a major grind. Okay. I gotta hold it my lip. I put my little, oh, I got 2 more left. My little last seaweed. I should put more spinach in mine. Okay, I'll let y'all see. Oh, shit. I'm just sitting here making a hot mess. It ain't hot, but, you know, a mess. Alrighty. Put a little spinach. Can y'all hear that music down there? I won't know until I finish recording and they say, oh, you got a copyright. That means I won't get paid for this video. So, okay. This is a little ghetto sushi ball. Sushi little thing. Look, but it's the rice, the spinach, and shrimp. Maybe I should put a mussel in it, huh? That seaweed tastes like the seaweed, but it tastes like the sea. My son be having me buy these for him all the time. It has a weird, distinguished taste, but it's good. Okay. Canada Dry. Something I put in here got me itching. My allergies. I'm not allergic to shellfish. What else did I put in here? Something got my nose itching. All right. Yeah, I love it when the skin is on here, cause you know the juice marinates in it. Cause after I finish cooking everything, I let it soak for like 45 minutes, so all the juices get inside the shrimp. So I don't cook it, I just let it soak. And they so tender, so I know they not hard or nothing. Eyes know how to cook. I sure do. But it's good. You know, you just gotta let it soak so the juices can soak up into the shrimp. Okay. Yep. Oh, excuse me. Say when next time, give me a boyfriend. Next time, we just woke up. I'm gonna make sure he like all this shit. Be burping and all that. That's the last food I was eating. I ain't like that. I'm crazy. Not crazy like that. It should be funny to me. I don't take people serious. Y'all, this is so good. Okay. This is super good. And you know, I didn't add no water or nothing to it because you know, spinach has its own water. And then when I cooked the shrimps, I thawed them out, but I didn't let them drain too much all the way so they can get dry, so they can still have the juice and stuff in it. It's super good. Yes, it is. It's so good. Y'all look, I'm almost fucking. I'm almost finished. Almost finished. Okay. Get a little rice on there. Every time I start recording, people want to start texting. No, add a little water. Whew. That's good. Yeah, I'm about to get my braces off finally. Because I'm tired of these damn things. Well, I just wasted all that damn juice on me. So, come lick the juice off. Come lick the juice off. Not for real. It'd be some fishy juice because this is super fishy. It's good. Not fishy because of me, but you know, the juice and stuff, you know, because it's seafood. It's seafood. I just cut my lip on that little thing. So what y'all cooking tomorrow? What y'all got going on tonight? It's raining, you know. I think I might go to the gym just to get my ass up out the house. Okay. I remember when I was living in Cali, they used to have this. I used to go to this all you can eat spot in LA. And I used to just go there just for their mussels, because best tasting mussels I ever tasted in my life. They had some type of cheese on it, and the mussels was super freaking big. But these little ass mussels, I don't know where you buy the big ones from. Probably Sam's or Costco's. I gotta go look. But them, dude, y'all, I used to just pay for the all-you-can-eat buffet. I mean, because that's what it was. Just so I can get the cheesy mussels. Excuse me. Yep. I wish I knew how to make them. Well, I tried to make them, but mine didn't taste like the restaurant. I mean, the buffet. And I went to. That shit was fire. Fire. Okay. Yeah. Mmm. That's spicy. I made sure I took my stomach medicine. Cause y'all, certain foods do not agree with me. Ever since I had surgery on my stomach, y'all, it's certain things that I cannot eat. And it's like a trial and error. You know, I gotta see what I can eat. If it busts for me, I'll be like, I can't eat that no more. And when I'm out and stuff, I'm really trying to eat. Especially that damn heartburn, man. That shit ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. I'm gonna use the last little seaweed. My seaweed done got... Seaweed ain't even hard no more. You know, lip the seaweed. Lip seaweed. Let me stop being like that. Let me stop being like that. Okay. So I'm gonna have this thing. Y'all wanna request me to eat somewhere? I'm a cash app in here. Y'all can pay for it. And I'll eat it all day long for you. As long as it's good. Nothing with cheese. You wanna see me doing mukbang on that? Cause you know. Yep. I take requests. Except that that fork request. Nah. I'll be able to do that. Y'all might smell it through the phone. Okay. Last little seaweed and got soft on me. And it got soft on me. I'll put some on my stomach. Cause I'm about to drink me some tequila. Some tequila. Some Casamigos. That shit the devil. I ain't going nowhere tonight. So then I ain't gotta watch my baby tonight cause she gone. So I'm about to get tipsy. I need to put some of this little spicy on my stomach so I can drink it for y'all. Not drink for y'all, but you know, I ain't feeling on YouTube and then drink and stuff. Okay. Oh, y'all, that is so freaking delicious. I have 2 shrimps left. Like, I'm trying to hang in there, y'all. Y'all know I can't eat much. So I have 2. Let me show y'all. I got an eating channel and I can't even eat a lot. So let's go. Like, okie dokie. The rice. It's so good eating the rice. Eating the rice with this little little thing. Muscle. I wonder can y'all hear that? Y'all hear my surround sounds? It's the part of him, because it keeps seeming like my son is turning up and down. Keep turning it up. I keep telling his ass to turn that shit down. So, when I edit my shit, that's when I'm gonna know his ass had to do it. Okay. Woo! Okay. Okay. See, look, and the spinach it soaks in there, everything. Don't worry, this ain't what you think it is. This is spinach, but I cleans out my stuff. But it's just all the juices and everything gets trapped inside. It is so freaking good. Too good. You know. Yeah, I'm about to get toe up tonight. Short. Whew. Excuse me. This shit spicy as hell. Now I know my son turning up that damn radio. Because it done got louder. And it got super loud. Kick his ass. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Like every time I start recording, y'all, motherfuckers, my shit be like going 90 good rest, going 100 miles an hour. But when I'm not recording, ain't nobody calling me. As soon as I start recording, I'm getting texts. I'm getting like all kind of shit from every fucking where. Like, y'all. Sometimes I put my shit on Do Not Disturb. But see, every time I put my stuff on Do Not Disturb, I be forgetting it's on there. I'm like, why nobody calling my phone? Y'all. This is so good. I'm tweaking like a motherfucker. I thought I just oh, okay. Y'all. I got one more. Okay. I got my last little shrimp. My little shrimp. Okay. My last little shrimp. Okay. It's hot. Okay. Look, we got the shrimp inside. I'm not shrimp. Spinach. It's like a spinach. You know, because I cook a big old pot of spinach and I just throw seafood in it. I don't know what would you call that, you know. It's not gumbo, because somebody asked me, is that gumbo? I'm like, no, I don't even know how to cook gumbo. I wish I did. But shit, if I want to pass it off for gumbo and throw a bunch of, you know, seafood up in it, it'd be mine because the shit good though. It's like a spinach seafood. Spinach seafood. Shit, I don't know. My sister called it Nikki soup. She said she had made it for somebody. And I guess the dude was like, this shit good. And she was like, this is my sister's recipe. So, pat myself on the back. You know? So it's good, y'all. But I don't know what to call it. Okay. My last little mussel. Okay. My last little mussel. And I'm done, y'all. Can y'all believe I ate it all? I'll be getting full quick. I don't only thing I could really fuck up, y'all, is some fucking Church's chicken. Y'all, I love me some Church's. I could eat like a 5 or 6 piece of Church's for real. That's how much I love Church's. Now, I don't even eat a lot. But I could fuck some Church's up. That's funny because I didn't even like that chicken when I was little. I just thought it was too big. That's too damn big. Too damn big. Okay. Man, hold the hell up. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to get my onion. My onion. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that was good. I'm not gonna eat the rest of this rice. But it was delicious. Super delicious. Just, you know what? Next time I make this, I'm gonna just throw a bunch of seafood in it, like crab legs, you know, all kind of stuff. I don't think, because two people asked me, was that gumbo? Is that how you make gumbo? Because I have no clue how to make gumbo. None whatsoever. I just put it in little seafood juice. You know. Okay, y'all. Yes. Whew. Oh, this is a ginger ale soda. This shit's strong as hell. Needs a special, made with, what did I say? Yeah, I ain't got my glasses on. Made with a splash of real juice. A splash. Okay, y'all. I'm just rambling. Okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this little mukbang and me running my damn mouth. My little special seafood spinach. Yeah. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next go around. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, you can give me a thumbs down too. But guess what? I know you watched it. So hit that notification bell so you know when I am online and delivering a video. So it'll be like, ding. So I will see you guys on the next go around. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang. You know, I do requests. I don't know how to do the hiccups. You know, I don't know how to. You can't even fake and do it. You know. But y'all, I see you guys on the next go around. So I'm about to let this food digest, get dressed, and get myself together. And I'm about to go on live, y'all. Y'all look me up on Bigo. It's Nikki Diamond. Bigo, B-I-G-O. On Bigo. Y'all want to look me up on TikTok. It's just Nikki's World. And you know you can spell Nikki by the million ways, but mine's is N-I-K-K-I. That's how you spell it. That's how my mama, somebody spelled it. I don't know shit. That's how I spelled it. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next go around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Bye.